Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the problem you're experiencing. If your Dyson HS01 gets hot but blows no air, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to a blockage or a malfunctioning component inside the device. If left unattended, it can lead to more severe damage, resulting in costly repairs or even complete failure of the appliance. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement part for the faulty component. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson HS01 is unplugged from the mains for safety. Carefully remove the rear cover using your Phillips screwdriver, taking care to keep the screws in a safe place. As you open the device, you may encounter some resistance. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Once the cover is off, you'll want to locate the internal fan or motor assembly, which is often the culprit when air is not blowing. Check for any visible blockages or signs of damage. If you see any debris, carefully remove it using your tweezers. Should the component seem broken, it will need to be extracted. Disconnect any wires attached to the faulty component, noting their placements for reassembly. Remember to handle these components delicately. Excessive force can damage surrounding parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the screws securing the fan or motor assembly, and gently lift it out. Replace it with a new part, ensuring everything aligns properly. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed, being careful not to over-tighten them, as this could strip the threads. Reconnect any wires, making sure they are seated firmly. Once everything is reassembled, replace the rear cover and secure it with the screws. Now, plug in your Dyson HS01 and turn it on to verify that it's functioning correctly and blowing air as it should. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections and assembly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your Dyson HS01 to avoid blockages. Ensure the air intake is free from dust and debris and consider running it on a lower setting when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.